Welcome back, guys. Oh, I gotta put my mic on. What's up, guys, and welcome back to What Broke This Week. Quick pre-video announcement. Do you like SHOs? I do. I think they're cool cars. Can't find shirts that have SHO logos or information on them? Me either. So I made one. It's in my Teespring. I'll have that link probably up here and also down in the description if you guys would like to check that out. Moving right along. This is a GTP badge. These are generally supposed to be on a car. This one is not on a car. This is a problem. Apparently, the problem child decided badges were not cool anymore and tried to eject this one. I caught it almost falling off on the road, but it had a little bit hanging on, so I took it off. So in this video, I'm gonna show you if you have a badge that deletes itself from your car and you would like to put it back, I'll show you the steps that I'm gonna go to make sure that this one stays on this time. So the first thing I've got is this nasty leftover adhesive plus the dirt that was trapped under the thing that all needs to be removed. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just tape it off. And the way I tape this gives me some space to keep the rest of the paint from being involved in this process. It also gives me some lines with which to try to center the thing, because after this is all cleaned off, I may not be able to see where it used to be. Then I made a little extra here and a little runoff because I'm going to be using chemicals here and I would like it to run down and drip off here. That's why it's loose, rather than be all over the paint. So the next thing I'm going to have to do is I'm gonna need to clean this really well. So I'm going to start off with just some household glass cleaner and a microfiber cloth. That's just to get the initial dirt off of the top layer. And then I'm gonna follow that up with this bug and tar remover that I have just put on liberally, and I'm gonna let it sit for a couple minutes to soften up the adhesive. Okay, then I'm using this scraper with a soft plastic razor blade insert just to try to get under the edges without damaging the paint and try to get the adhesive to start to peel off. So what I'm doing is I'll go over the whole thing, get a little bit off, then I'll put the stuff back on it and let it soak for a couple seconds, and then I come back over it again. So after you've gotten the bulk of the adhesive off, the next thing I'm going to do is just use a little bit of polish to clean up any little micro scratches I created and remove any leftover dirt or anything that might cause me problems when adhering the new one. So then once that's clean, I took the badge. I pretty much had to do the same thing to the back of it. But then once I got it cleaned off, I just used this 3M two-sided, this is actually for molding, but you can get it in different widths. I got the widest one they had, and then I just cut it so that it couldn't be seen from this side of the badge. Then, all there is to do is peel this red backing off, like so. Then we're just going to very carefully adhere this back to this spot. And that's pretty much it. The great thing about that is that stuff you pretty much only need to hold fixed for maybe a second or two, and I mean it is extremely well adhered. Pay no attention to this god-awful scratch. That's new. Apparently people in parking lots just can't not hit your car. Also, these decals are kind of beat up, but whatever. I mean, the problem child's not a show car by any means, so maybe we'll do some videos on that stuff also. We'll see. So there you go. That's back together at least. As you can see, that car's paint's getting rough. I'm gonna have to do some stuff about that pretty soon. So look forward to that in future videos, I guess. But other than that, I believe we're good for this video. I've got some more to do this week, so watch out for that. Other than that, thank you for watching. Hope you learned something. If you did, hit the like button down below. If you didn't, hit the dislike button. I still appreciate either response. I like to know what you guys think. Leave me a comment if you have any ideas or a better way to get this done in the future, or if you have any good ideas on what to do about that god-awful scratch. And other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much, and peace.